Hey everybody, Sarah at Caddy Garage. I just wanted to shoot this quick video today and show you guys this 1960 Cadillac coupe. You've probably seen a few short videos of it on my YouTube channel already. I was gonna do a lot of videos about cleaning it up and things like that, but I've actually already got the car sold. So that happened really quick, happened in about a week. So I'm just gonna show you guys the car real fast because it's leaving tomorrow. The thing that makes this one special, it is a Coupe de Ville, it's not a Series 62. It's also a very rare paint color. It's paint code 14. Which I'm not sure of the name. It's either platinum silver or platinum gray. It's a very light, beautiful silver. I'll show you guys on the underside of the trunk back there. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. They didn't make a whole lot of them in this color, so that's what makes it rare. But it's actually going to Indonesia, where the gentleman's going to restore it and drive it down there. So I don't think there's a lot of Cadillacs in Indonesia, so I actually think this is pretty awesome. But like I said, it's being picked up tomorrow. It's actually going to be taken apart and put into shipping crates and shipped over, and then he's going to restore the parts and put the car back together. So kind of an interesting way to do things. I've never really heard of that way of doing it before, but that's how he's choosing to do it. So his baby now, and I can't wait to see it get back on the road and another Cadillac saved. So that's all that matters. All right, guys, let's take a look at this car and I'll show it to you, and thank you for watching. So as you guys can see, the bumpers aren't in the greatest condition on this one, not as nice as some that I've seen, but definitely not any holes in the bumper. Obviously the chrome is just chipping off and it's got some rust in a couple areas, but definitely not as bad as some that I've seen. At least it's there and it's complete. That matters. Sourcing parts in Indonesia, I guess, is going to be really difficult. So he's actually going to be requesting, I should say the new buyer is going to be requesting my help with some of those things to find parts and order them here and then ship them over. Definitely some rust here, typical place for a 60, front rocker, behind the tire, and also down the long part of the rocker right there you can see. But as I said earlier, car is getting taken apart and put into shipping crates to be shipped over. So like I said, super simple to fix, just put new rockers on it. And then the interior is the beautiful black and white color. Can't wait to see him bring it back to its former glory. Couple holes in the floors, one in the front there, and then the floor pan on the back over here needs fixing up. But just typical dirty, dusty old 60. But like I said, another Cadillac saved, so that's what really matters. Skirts are right there. And like I said, I was going to make videos of cleaning this one up and show it to you guys, and I don't typically send cars off like this in kind of this dirty condition, but didn't even have time to do this one. So he wanted it and he paid for it, so it's off. Needs to get some new glass for the back. Obviously that's completely missing. New lenses. The back bumper is actually really, really nice, except for that little ding that you guys can see right there, that dent. Easy fix. So this is the color that I was speaking of that I just absolutely love. You guys can see that. It's a metallic silver. All the parts in the back here. Typically 60s and 59s are famous for like rotting out around the edge of the trunk here, but this one's actually really, really solid, dry desert car. So yes, it has a couple floor pan issues, but the major serious parts are still very, very solid and nice, so that's really good. Got a little bit of rust right there by where the skirt goes. Very typical for 60s and 59s as well. I don't know why they always seem to rot out there, but they did. Gonna have to get some new side glass for it, but those are easy. Caddy Daddy has all the glass for these cars. So if anybody else is looking, go on caddydaddy.com. They have all the replacement glass with the factory blue tint to it as well that classic cars came with. Very nice to have the old washer bottle intact and not broken. Those are rare. So here's where the data plate is located on a 60 for you guys who don't know. Driver's side, firewall top of. Tells you all the accessories for the car. There's your accessory codes right here. And then your paint code is going to be right here. And as you guys can see, paint code 14. I will put a picture here in just a second in the video of the paint codes for 60s. So you guys can see that. That's how you decode a 60. And then if you also don't know your VIN number, so you can make sure everything's kosher with the car, located driver's side top of frame in between 2 stars. They did that so that nobody could ever like tamper with or mess with the VIN number, change it in any way, shape, or form. So you always know that it ends with 2 stars. And then you can also check the frame number against the door tag when you open the driver door. We have this little tag right here. VIN number is the same as engine number in these old cars. And that's a factory Cadillac tag in every driver door. So if you're buying a Cadillac and that tag is missing, just be wary and make sure you check the VIN number and just have that ran to make sure everything's cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos that I have available. If you guys don't know what I'm about, I try to save and rescue as many classic Cadillacs as I can, keep them out of the junkyards and out of the crushers, and get them in the hands of people who are going to restore them and put them back on the road. So this 60, I've had so many 59s and 60s, a lot of Cadillacs of all years, but especially 59s and 60s. This one was special, like I said, because of the color, so very happy to have owned it for such a short time, and I hope the gentleman in Indonesia will be very happy with it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a very blessed day. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next Cadillac adventure. Bye, guys.